You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this word. That means private. How do you say private in French? We'll be looking at how to say more useful French vocabulary, so stay tuned to the channel. Privé. Privé is how you say it. So you'd see that on doors, in apartments or in a restaurant, for example. Privé or privé, you can say. It means private, so you're not allowed to enter. If you see this on a door, well, it's private for the owners or for the staff. Privé is how to say it. More videos for you here to learn more useful French vocabulary. See you there. Merci. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.